Slam Girly. Today I went to Kiko Milano for the very first time. So I've never tried any of their products, but they were currently doing a sale where if you spend £10 in store, you get a free mystery bag. So I thought, what better time to try out Kiko Milano than now? So the product that I bought was the 3D Hydro Gloss in number 7. So it's like a pinky gloss, and I thought it'd be amazing on like lip combos and stuff. I'm just gonna try it on its own. That's so cute on its own. It's got like a milky ice creamy kind of like fragrance, but I do like that on its own as well. And it's not too thick as well, so I'm never going back for some more glosses from Kiko Milano. Yeah, now let's get into the mystery bag. I don't want to see what we got. So I think you do get like 3 products. Ooh, so we've got a waterproof eyeliner duo. Now let's see what the shades are. I do love a good eyeliner. Ooh, so it's kind of, oh right, so it's a black eyeliner. I was gonna be like, oh, it looks like an orange eyeliner. So there's like different, oh, there's like different shapes on the eyeliner. Ooh, like this one's like almost like good for doing your brows, and then this side for like, oh, can't wait to try this out. It's like a similar packaging. So this one is a King eyebrow duo. So this is like an eyebrow pencil or something. As many of you know, I've just started doing my brows black haired. Oh, that's good, because I do have pretty dark brows, so black would be really good for that. So this is the product. Oh right, so this is a pencil. So this is the pencil for your eyebrows. It's a bit brownie, I would say, but I think for my brows, I think I would get away with it. And it's got a mascara on the end of it. It says a mascara, but I'm like, I don't know if it's like brow gel maybe. And then we got one last product. It looks to be all the same sort of collection, but so far so good. So we have a Create Your Balance. So I think it's a Create Your Balance collection that I've got 3 things from. And this is a lipstick in Fierce Elegance. Ooh, that sounds like a nice shade. So far, loving it. I'm loving the packaging as well. Like it's this kind of like bronzy kind of packaging. So that's the lipstick. Oh, not really loving the colour of the lipstick. I will say this is a beautiful lipstick, but I don't know if that's a bit too light for me. We could do something with this, with like a lip liner, but I'm actually quite happy because these 2 I'm really happy with. This one, but I'm really happy with these 2. Trend for part 3, where I'm going to do a makeup look with all these Kiko Milano products. Bye girly!